In September 2014, we began combining the strengths and the rich histories of the Holden Arboretum and Cleveland Botanical Garden. Now we are proud to share the new name for our truly combined organization, Holden Forests Gardens. A name that portends a bright future for our organization and, more importantly, for the plants and people of Northeast Ohio, the Great Lakes region, and beyond. Our new name also encompasses the breadth of what we do and where we do it, from horticulture and gardening to ecology and conservation, from dense urban cores to native forests. We work every day to improve our communities and natural environments. Covering 3,600 acres, the Holden Arboretum has more than 20 miles of trails leading through native forests and cultivated gardens, including the Payne Rhododendron Discovery Garden and the Holden Wildflower Garden. Our gardens and landscapes tell the stories of the roles plants play in our region's ecosystems and in our lives. Guests at the Cleveland Botanical Garden will find beauty and inspiration by immersing themselves in our 20 unique gardens, from the Western Reserve Herb Society Herb Garden to the Hershey Children's Garden, while the Eleanor Armstrong Smith Glasshouse allows visitors to discover the exotic plants and animals of the Costa Rican cloud forest and the spiny desert of Madagascar.
Throughout both institutions' histories, we have collected and displayed thousands of thoroughly documented plants to conserve their diversity and to convey sustainable plant choices for our region's gardens and landscapes. By sustainable, we mean plants that are adapted to our soils and our climatic extremes, that are free of chronic diseases and significant pests, and that are not invasive in our natural areas. We also seek to counteract the effects of pollution and of a changing climate. Visitors to the Arboretum's new and popular Merch Canopy Walk and Calberer Emerging Tower learn just how diverse and interesting forests are from the bird's eye view, and can't help but appreciate how essential forests are to the livability of our region.
Just as our landscapes range from manicured gardens to native wildlands, so does our program in plant and environmental sciences. Our research scientists explore important gaps in botanical and ecological knowledge, and we conduct both short and long-term experiments to enhance our understanding of horticulture and plant conservation. Research subjects include rhododendron breeding and introduction, soil biology and management, woody plant physiology, plant community ecology, and plants' effectiveness at stormwater control in urban areas. Our scientists' work involves many partners, including universities, such as Case Western Reserve and Kent State, and government agencies such as the Cleveland Metro Parks and the United States Forest Service. Budding scientists in high school, undergraduate programs, and graduate school are part of our thriving community.
We are proud to have helped develop the Cleveland Tree Plan, aimed at increasing the city's forest canopy. We're excited to work with our partners, such as the City of Cleveland and Western Reserve Land Conservancy, to bring the plan to reality so Cleveland once again will deserve to be called the Forest City. The plan recognizes the significance of trees in our communities for controlling stormwater, conserving energy, removing pollutants from air and water, improving public health, and more. A sure sign of a thriving, sustainable neighborhood is its trees.
Another source of pride is our education department programs, both on and off campus. We seek to educate and inspire students through discovery-based and hands-on techniques to engage children with the natural world. For instance, the Arboretum's Growing Students in Science program helps young people from 2nd through 5th grade to learn about the natural sciences through both field trips and classroom instruction. The Botanical Garden's innovative Green Corps program employs Cleveland teens to operate urban farms where they learn how to grow, harvest, and sell fresh produce while developing workplace and life skills to help them in the future. More than 1,000 Cleveland teens have participated in the program since it started in 1996.
The Northeast Ohio community has enthusiastically endorsed this integration, as evidenced by a record number of members and visitors. We are attracting nearly 400,000 visitors annually to our new campuses and have over 20,000 members. Both numbers an increase of over 25% in the last 2 years. We are also increasingly sought out to contribute our expertise and hard work to help make our communities greener throughout our region. By coming together, we hope to advance and inspire a deeper understanding of plants to enhance life where we live, work, and play.
The seeds planted over 80 years ago by 6 women from the Cleveland Garden Club found what became the Cleveland Botanical Garden, and by the foresighted and generous Holden family to launch the Holden Arboretum, have germinated and grown remarkably ever since. We are honored to carry on those legacies. We have a bold vision for what Holden Forests and Gardens can accomplish, in partnership with the wonderful people, communities, and organizations that share our values. Together, we make a greener, more beautiful world.